2-in-1 Kia Forte headlight installation. We've got the upgraded LSplus 9005 bulbs, newly upgraded for this year. And we've got the Pro HK6s for your high beams. We're going to start with the low beam. Got your little dust cover. Counterclockwise. Bring out your old bulb. Just unplug it. Don't fight me. There's enough room in there for your relay box and everything. So you can plug it in. Put your box and everything down inside. And this is easy peasy plug and play. It goes in, line it up, lock it down. Put your dust cover back on. Low beam's done. Going to your high beam headlight, it is a little more tricky. You got the same size dust cover. There is an interior cover with some plastic from the factory. This little screw, take it out, take it off, and then it'll still, your dust cover will go back on over the new bulb. So counterclockwise it. This is your OEM plug. You will not be using this on the HK6s, but you have an adjustable collar. So once you find out where you need to do it, how you need to get it locked in place, get a mark on your collar or on your frame somehow where you can know how to put it back in there. So, and you can install the light first before plugging it in. Just get it in there. Locks in place. You turn it all the way around. Bring it down here. You need to make sure that your headlight is 9 to 3 and the open is up. Can't really see it well, but the opening needs to be pointed straight up, 12 o'clock. And then the rest, the cobs need to be 9 to 3s. You plug the plug into the original outlet. And you just work it in there. It'll go back in place. You just got to work it down inside beside the bulb, I think. That's not working like that. If not, do it the old way. Take the bulb back out. Stuff everything down inside. Makes it a little easier. Get your bulb back in here. Twist it around until it locks in place. You want to make sure there's no wiggle. There's allowed to be a little wiggle, but you don't want a lot of wiggle. Double check your orientation. Put your dust cap back on. And you're done. These are just the low beams. Nice horizon line, brights. You can see all the way to the ends of the road.